Hi gang, next up I want to show you how the Zwift program works from Training Peaks. So we looked at the first screencast of how Training Peaks works. Now let's look and see how the Training Peaks works with Zwift on the Zwift screen. So as you can see over here, we can either choose to go into New York or Watopia, or wherever you like to go. But on this program, we're going to be working more on specific customized training plans. So we're going to go into training, and I've already programmed my workout for the day in Training Peaks. So I'm going to click on the Training Peaks custom programs. Up here, I'm going to move my screen up. So Training Peaks custom workouts up here. And then I click on that and up pops my elevator drills for today. So I had programmed myself to do elevator drills. It's an 1.5-hour workout. And then as you can see over here on this screen on the right, you can see the profile and my FTP being at 190 watts. So that's already been programmed in right over from Training Peaks. So Zwift knows exactly what training zones I need to be in. So I'm going to click on here for today's workout, which is the elevator drills. And then we click down here. I'm going to have to move my screen over a little bit. Let's click down here for workout. Bam, up it comes. So here's the ride button. We click on there and up will pop today's workout, which was those elevator drills. Now, if you see over here, there I am at the bottom, my lovely red hair all pulled back in a little bun. If you see over here, we have the workout profile. So everything has been programmed based on my FTP. We're doing 1 minute on, 1 minute off on the elevator, going all the way up to max anaerobic threshold and beyond. And if we find out that we get into the workout and we're not having a good day, it's going to be okay because we have the up and down buttons. These are a bit of a cheat button, but just so you know where they are. So if we go down, that'll bring the watts down a little bit, or if you're having a 5-star rock star kind of day, you can click the up button, and then that way you can get a few more watts out of your workout. So if you're feeling like you're really strong and you don't want to, and you instead of hitting 305 watts, you want to hit 310 that day, you can click that up button and away you go for that one interval of a minute up to 310 watts. So that's it. We look forward to working with you guys and training with you guys indoors. I'm really excited about this program. I think that we're going to get a lot more out of our training with this because these are your zones programmed from Training Peaks into your Zwift, and it's all about your watts, nobody else's, no cheating, all good. All right, we'll see you in Watopia.